What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. So I pretty much just wrapped up my internship at the Hawaii International Film Festival. While I was at the festival, I was shooting a lot of video. So before and during the festival, I really had to hone in on what my camera gear setup was gonna be. Since, I was kind of running all over the place, shooting a bunch of video, just kind of run and gun type of stuff. So now that the festival is over, I thought it would be fun to share what is in my camera bag. This is everything that was in my bag during the festival and what I kind of learned throughout the whole festival. So first off, this is a third-party brand bag. I guess it's by Low Pro. I got it off Best Buy. I really like this bag. It pretty much perfectly fit everything that I needed during the festival. It comes with this little strap that you can attach. It was really helpful for me just to wear this bag around all the time. I guess we'll start with this front pocket here. For this front pocket, I basically used for batteries. During the festival, I went to a local camera shop, Pro Camera Hawaii. I'll give them a shout out because they were really cool. I rented 2 extra batteries to bring with me, so a total of 4 batteries that I always had on hand. So the batteries go in the front pocket, then going into the actual bag. So on this side, we just basically have the camera. This is my Sony a6400. I went through the entire festival with this and I was really happy with how my videos came out. This camera fits perfectly right here. Super duper easy just to grab it and go and stuff. And then along with the camera, I have this Manfrotto little tripod. I got this, I think 2 years ago or so from my cousins, and I love this little mini tripod. It was super helpful for me because I could just set up this tripod on little tables and stuff, and I could get really good shots. So this was really nice to have with me. And then moving on to the other side, I basically got this specifically for the festival. This is the Rode Video Micro. Comes with this little dead cat, and then yeah, it's a really tiny microphone, and it just basically goes on top of my Sony a6400. Has a little 3.5mm cable, so that's nice. So basically I would just go around, have this on the shoe on my camera. I basically just go running around with this, and it looks kind of silly. A lot of people were asking me about this little microphone on top of my camera, but I was honestly really surprised with how this microphone performed. I wasn't expecting it to be perfect, but it actually sounded really nice. And then underneath the microphone, I have this little divider. I don't know if this is a stupid little detail, but the reason I kept this divider here is that sometimes I would need to have the camera really accessible, basically so I could just throw it in my bag, and if I need it again, just grab it out of my bag. I know that's not the safest way to transport your equipment, but I was at a film festival. It was super hectic and I just needed something really quick. So yeah, this divider, I could just kind of throw my camera with whatever lens I have on it. But anyway, underneath, I kept all of my lenses. I kept a total of 3 lenses in this bag, and that's pretty much the amount of lenses that you can fit. So first lens I kept with me was the Sigma 16mm 1.4. This one I don't think I used too much during the festival. I definitely used it on some occasions. It's just that there weren't too many times when I needed a really wide shot. Most of the time what I was using was this guy right here. This is the Sony 35mm 1.8. This was pretty much the lens that I stuck to throughout the festival. Super low aperture at 1.8. It has Sony's optical steady shot built in, which was really helpful. And it's 35mm, which in my opinion, I don't know, I thought it was very versatile for everything. I was able to get I don't know, group shots when people went on the red carpet, and then I could go into one of the theaters and film one of the Q&As. So yeah, I love this lens. It was super versatile. And then the third lens, which I made a video about, the Sigma 56mm 1.4, I actually returned. You can go check out that video to see why. I basically tried to stay away from that lens as much as possible, but there were some times when I basically just needed it. But that is pretty much my entire camera bag. So, TLDR, camera, mic, lenses, and batteries. I mean, I know it's a very simplistic setup, and for me, that's basically what I wanted and kind of what I needed. So anyway, I don't know, feel free to let me know in the comments any of your thoughts. What do you keep in your camera bag? Thank you for watching this video. My name is Chase, and I will see you again soon. Bye.